Fondoff Laser Welding Machine 1500W. Welding Machine Introduction. FH1500E is a handheld fiber laser welding machine. Easy to operate, multifunction machine. Rapid welding speed, 210 times faster than traditional welding, can weld stainless steel, iron, copper, aluminum and other metal materials. Welding show. Welding method, fillet welding. Wire, 1.2 mm carbon steel wire. Workpiece, 2.0 mm carbon steel. Welding method, fillet welding. Wire, 1.2 mm stainless steel wire. Workpiece, 2.0 mm stainless steel. Welding method, fillet welding. Wire, 1.2 mm aluminum wire. Workpiece, 3.0 mm aluminum.